Myself Nissan Talan. I am from Aligarh, UP. I have selected for NDA, and I was coming from here to prepare my SSB. Now I am very confident to my SSB, because here is a SSB staff is very supportive and clear all doubts to related to your SSB. So Jai Hind.
My name is Shashank Kanwal. I have been selected for my SSC TET, Indian Naval Tech. I came from Dehradun. Before joining DDA, I was very confused about the stages in the SSB, and then I didn't got a proper knowledge how to tackle various situations, various tricky questions that are asked in SSB. After I joined SSB, I got a brief and detailed idea about the stages that will be coming in SSB, and the teachers are very good, and the infrastructures are pretty good. All the teachers are well qualified, and they taught us in detail about the various stages, and how to handle the different situations, like the ground task with the GTO part. It is very good, and I have been very well motivated by the teachers, and before joining I was not confident that I will clear my SSB or not, but after joining DDA it boosted my confidence, and I'm pretty sure that I will clear my SSB. Jai Hind.
Hello, my name is Shon Atia. I have taken coaching from DDA for my SSB, and I'm pretty confident that I will clear it. I have taken coaching of the psychological part and the GTO task. The teachers are very helping here, and they have taken the tests, and I have performed well, and I'm pretty confident that I will clear the test. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Vishnu Pratap. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I am the student of DDA, and I have done my GTA coaching here from Mr. Ravi Patel, who is our instructor, and the infrastructure here is very good, and we got lot of confidence here, and it also helps me to learn how to work in a team. Jai Hind.
Hello, my name is Aman Kumar. I am from Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. I am a student of Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun, and I have completed my GTO task and psychology task, and I have learned lot of things in this coaching, and the faculty staff of this coaching is very amazing and helpful in nature, and I will definitely crack my SSB, and I will be a lieutenant. Jai Hind.
Hello, my name is Anshul Chaudhary. I am from Nagaur, Rajasthan, and I am a student of DDA Dehradun, and I gain much knowledge about the GTO task and psychology from here. The faculty of this defense is very good for me, and I have confidence that I will definitely crack the SSB. Jai Hind.
Hello, my name is Satendra Singh. I am from Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan. I am the student of DDA for NDA coaching, and I joined the SSB classes, and I put up a lot of experience and gain lot of knowledge here. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello, my name is Vikas Kumar, and I am from Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. I am a student of Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun, and I am here for my SSB coaching, and under the pretense of Mr. Ravi Patel sir, and the faculty of Doon Defence Academy is very good. I am here for NDA entry and TES entry. I am pretty sure to clear my SSB in first attempt.
Hello everyone, myself Akanksha, and I am from Balia, Uttar Pradesh. Currently I am taking my GTO classes from Doon Defence Academy, that is in Dehradun, under the guidance of Ravi Patel sir. Here the infrastructure is mind-blowing, and the staff is really boost up our confidence day by day, and I am pretty confident that I clear SSB in first attempt. That's it. Jai Hind.
Today, your batch means this was the sixth batch, okay?
Yes, sir.
You have completed your GTO task?
Yes, sir.
Most of our students from Doon Defence Academy.
Yes, sir.
What I am telling you, DDA has been providing complete preparation of SSB, okay?
Yes, sir.
Including your interview, psychology, and GTO.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen this ground?
Yes, sir.
Have you dekha?
Yes, sir.
Have you completed your GTO task?
Yes, sir.
Individual task, group task, everything completed?
Yes, sir.
Have you confidence?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Thing is that this is your pre-SSB preparation. After that, whenever you get your admit card for SSB, you will be proceeding for technical scheme, SSC tech, through NDA, you will get opportunity. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This time, whatever you taught here, your GTO taught so many things. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So many things completed in psychology.
Yes, sir.
Just write down your observation. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Write down your weak part. आपके जो weak part क्या क्या है? ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thing is that you have to work hard. in part of communication skill, about your physical fitness. Understood?
Yes, sir.
You have to build up your confidence.
Yes, sir.
You have to improve your personality.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
आपको पता है कि to clear SSB you should have confidence. सबको पता है?
Yes, sir.
Option like quality आपको पता ही है. You will write down in piece of paper.
Yes, sir.
आज जाएंगे and write down in piece of paper 15 option like qualities and work for that.
Yes, sir.
Check.
Yes, sir.
आपको देखिए कितनी क्वालिटी हैं. Whether you are disciplined, whether you are punctual, how is your presence of mind, how is your confidence, how is your communication skill, how is your attitude towards your life, your career. Understood?
Yes, sir.
अगर आप इसको देखते हैं तो आप 100% इन पे काम करते हुए you will get success and you will be feel proud to serve the nation and to become defense officer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
तो वो जोश आ जाना चाहिए. अगर वो जोश नहीं है तो it means you are killing your time.
Yes, sir.
No use, I am telling you. अब ध्यान देना, ये जो ट्रेनिंग होती है आपको यहाँ पर दून डिफेंस एकेडमी में जो आपको कंप्लीट ट्रेनिंग जो दी जा रही है टू बिल्ड योर कॉन्फिडेंस, टू गेट सक्सेस इन SSB. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So I want to start preparing. If you are getting any difficulty, if you want any doubts about psychology interview GTO, you can come to me. You can approach to us. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Future batch will be start on 22nd February. जो जिन बच्चों ने जो पार्ट मिस किया है SSB इंटरव्यू का, साइकोलॉजी का, whatever you have left, okay, you can join for that. So समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. From now onwards, to get success, make your timetable for 24 hours. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Practice of lecturing, group discussions. If you are weak in English, somebody just think that you are weak in English, just attend spoken English classes. Make a habit of reading. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Don't be scared. डरना नहीं है. जो बच्चा डर गया, जिसका एटीट्यूड अगर पॉजिटिव नहीं है तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Keep your attitude positive. Always be happy. This is the thing. अगर आप खुश हैं तो everything is possible. अगर आप जोशीले हैं तो everything is possible. Understood?
Yes, sir.
How is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Okay, thank you.
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.